I can make this guy in gacha online. And yep, I forgot about the name. Also, we hit 200 subscribers. Let's go. Thanks. I didn't know we would make it that far to 200, but thanks for subbing. Please help me make it to 300. So yeah, let's go. So here's how I can make this guy in gacha online. The hair is a little bit, oh wait, no, I remember where the hair is. Real hair, 1000 and 740, 47. Oh wait, I think I know. This kind of looks goofy. I'm sorry. Don't hate on me because this looks goofy. Okay, front hair, 1400 and 615. Oh, and I just gave away the colors. Well, here's the color for shirt, sleeves, you know it. And the color. Well, that's becoming early. Oh well. You know what? I might as well just leak everything, the color. So yeah, just here, the color for back hair. You guys should probably know where back hair is, since you guys been watching me for months and a while. So, dude, you guys should know. Okay, back hair, 1200 and 490. Hair color, that's the hair color. Colors 2 for this. Okay. Pants 20, shirt 25, sleeves 24, shoes 5. Gloves 7. And you guys oh yeah. Okay, eyes 2, pupils 999, finished.